Where we going, Coco? We're going to the big island.
So he's going across to London, but she never crossed his mind. But a change is what you're after, that you won't get in your way. But you'll need something old to hold. So she laughs at all the promises